You have just sealed your fate, sir. You are dead. You're a walking dead man right now. That's it.
The Green Mile.
Come here, sit right here. Right here. Wait. Can I pull out the bucket? I feel like that would be so much fun.
Payback, nothing.
That was cold.
Did you get him down your pants? Ice cubes?
You can beat me up for it later.
She will. Let's play firefighter.
Matthew.
Would you like to dump it over me like I do?
It's no fun if it's plotted out or planned or
Expected.
expected. Thank you.